In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Shopify header in the Dawn theme. Whether you're setting up your store for the first time or just looking to refresh your website's appearance, getting the header just right can really set the tone for your visitors. So, let's dive into the details and walk through these simple steps one by one. Start from your Shopify homepage. It's best to log in and get comfortable with the main dashboard, as this is where you'll find all the tools you'll need to edit your store. Look for a menu on the left side of your screen. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Online Store. Click on it. This section is your gateway to making stylistic changes and adding personal touches to your site. After clicking on Online Store, you'll see another menu appear. This is where you can choose Customize next to your active theme, which in this case is the Dawn theme. Selecting this will open the theme editor, a powerful tool where all your customization happens. Spend a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface. It really is the control center for your store's appearance. Once you're in the theme editor, direct your attention to a sidebar on the left. Here, you'll find a list of sections that make up your Shopify theme. Find and click on Header. This section contains all the elements that make up the top segment of your website. Headers are crucial. They're one of the first things visitors see, guiding them through your store and providing essential branding. Selecting Header opens up various options you can configure. Perhaps you want to adjust your logo, change the layout, or tweak the navigation menu. This is where you get creative and align the header with your brand vision. Remember, cohesive design and functionality can enhance user experience, so think about what structure serves your content best. After making your adjustments, it's important to review your changes. Look them over and ensure they present your brand in the best light possible. When you're satisfied with the new look of your header, the last step is to click Save. This action will preserve all your hard work and apply the changes to your live site. Revisiting your store's homepage, you should now see the updated header. Take a moment to check its functionality and appearance across different devices, like on tablets or mobile phones, to ensure everything looks spot on and operates smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully edited the header of your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped you customize your online store to better reflect your brand. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe for updates on the latest tips and tricks in e-commerce.